The most expensive Pixel 11 and the cheapest Pixel 11 have the same main camera. Yeah, I asked Google about that. Don't worry, we'll get there. But first, the new Google Pixel 11 series is more serious about photography than ever before. When someone asks, which phone takes the best pictures? Google wants everyone to say the Pixel 11. First up, the Pixel 11 series is trying to eliminate the blurry photo with Magic Capture. This new feature is on every Pixel 11, so no matter which one you buy, you get this. You know that feeling you get when you see a blurry photo in your gallery? You think, I wish I'd just taken that photo a second earlier, but there's not really much more you can do about that. Now imagine never feeling that way again. That's where Magic Capture comes in. Here's how it works. You tap the Magic Capture button near the camera icon and then tap the shutter. The phone will essentially take a video of what you're shooting. When that is processed, the Pixel pulls out clear frames that live in your gallery. It also saves the video so you can pull out your own frames. You may be thinking, big whoop, I could just take screenshots of my videos too, Iyaz. Google says that the stills generated from Magic Capture are around 12 megapixels, so they are higher resolution than a 4K screen grab. And thanks to Google software, the resulting images are sharp and virtually without motion blur. I tested this out and came away impressed. Google had dancers at the ready, yeah, for real, who would perform a routine so we, the press, could test this out. Sure enough, the photos were really sharp. Magic Capture takes away the pain of trying to coordinate your vision and finger. You don't need to keep staring at your screen for Magic Capture to work. Just point it at your subject, tap Magic Capture, and it essentially takes pictures for you. The Google Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL take this a step further. Not only do they offer Magic Capture, they have a feature called Instant Night Sight. You know when you're trying to take a low light photo and your camera app says, hold still, and that's the time your hand starts shaking like you were the reverse flash. That photo turns out messy, and even if you could hold your hand steady, if your subject moves during that holding period, the shot's messed up again. With Instant Night Sight, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL need only 1 second to capture all the information it needs. So again, your gallery could feature nothing but clear pictures of the people, pets, and pumpkin pies that you love. Every Pixel 11 includes some kind of improved camera. But you should know that the Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro Fold share the same main camera. You heard me right. The Pixel 11, the most inexpensive Pixel, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold, the most expensive Pixel, have the same main camera. So one way to look at this is, wow, the cheap Pixel's got a great camera. The other is, why does the pricey Fold not have the same cameras as the other Pro models? I flat out asked Google about this. Right now, it's a matter of physics. Google cannot fit the Pixel 11 Pro and XL sensors into the thinner Pixel 11 Pro Fold. I still think that the Pixel Fold should not be called a Pro because that could confuse people, and to make sure you don't get confused, you should subscribe to PCMag's YouTube channel. Also, let me know your Pixel thoughts in the comments. Someone will read your comments and get back to you. Psst, I am that someone. So how good are the Pixel 11 Pro cameras? Google's updated the main lens sensor. Google calls it Pixel's best camera yet. The Pros have upgraded the telephoto sensors. They are now more than 2 times larger than the 10 Pros. All of those large sensors mean they let in a lot of light and data. That's critical in getting quick, sharp photos. While the Google Pixel 11 starts at $899, $100 more than the base Pixel 10, it could be the best deal of any Pixel 11. You get Magic Capture, you get the new sensor. Google's also reduced the camera bump by 40%. It barely protrudes out of the phone's body. Now, why does that matter, you ask? A very real problem with the Pixel series is putting the thing in your pocket. The camera bar catches the pocket scoop. This little annoyance is nearly gone with the Pixel 11. And if you add a case to the Pixel 11, the phone back is flat, like Google Pixel 10a flat. When was the last time you saw a flagship phone like that? Granted, this requires a case to be flat, but come on. Oh, and I forgot to mention that Pixel 11 starts with 256 gigs of storage. The 10 started with half of that. And there's a stepped up Pixel 11 model with half a terabyte of storage. But get this model uses the same kind of storage found in the Pros. Say it with me, zoned, universal, flash, storage. All right, long story short, zoned UFS lets you access your stuff faster than before. Also, this kind of storage lasts longer than just standard UFS. If you're wondering what kind of review is this, the answer is this is not a review. This is Inside the Green Bubble. This is Iyaz Akhtar, and I'll see you online.